Beyond his league. Last night I never slept because of the telephone calls. And this thing, of course, yes, it's something that we have to address. Those who have been calling me, starting with the UN Secretary General yesterday when I was in the office, he gave me an order. The UN Secretary General gave me an order that I'm ordering you to immediately withdraw from his league. I said I'm not under your command. But we always believe that everything can be resolved by peaceful means. This time, I said that I will not order the forces to withdraw.
The President of the Republic further called on